queens, what's good? It's your girl Nene, and today you already know when you see my face what is about to go down. We are doing another wig review. Now, this unit that I'm wearing right here is not the wig review that we're going to do today. Y'all did not click on the wrong video, okay? We are doing the green unit, but I'm showing you guys a little sneakity peekity for an upcoming wig review on a nice, easy, honestly, this is like an everyday workwear, church wear, child support, court wear, whatever. You can wear this wig anywhere. But anyways, we're going to get into that later. This was just a sneak peek. And if you think you know the name or the company, make sure you comment your guess below. All right, so the unit that I'm giving you guys today is this gorgeous, slimy, nasty green unit that I am wearing. Now, this unit is from ZURY Hollywood, and let me just go ahead and say this is not a sponsored video. I did just pick this one up with my own little coins because I know that y'all, if you know me, you know I'm a sucker for bold colors. Like, I don't have a color wig that's this color green, nor do I have it with the green tips. Like, the color is just fire. It sells the whole thing itself. So, had to pick it up. Plus, I felt like you guys might like it as well because it's super different. So, yes. So, yes, guys, this is by ZURY Hollywood. And this unit, let's start off with the construction. So, this is a 360-degree unit. It's a 13x4 deep lace frontal, and it is a free part wig, so you can choose whether you want your right, left, or middle parting space. Now, I'm going to do some customization to this unit, so when you guys look at the thumbnail, it did not come straight out the package like that, but no worries, sis. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do, exactly how to do it. You just have to make sure you watch to the end, because if you don't watch to the end, you're on your own. Okay, so the construction, this unit does come with combs and adjustable straps. I would say the cap size is big head friendly. Most of ZURY's 360 wigs are big head friendly because of that frontal area. But I didn't get any tightness with this. I actually had a little bit of looseness, so I did have to use my combs. So you should be good if you're a big head gal like me. Big head gang. Okay, now let's talk about the hairline. So the hairline is not bad, and the color, it has like this apple green and this neon green. So the apple green is near the hairline and the tips, and the neon green is kind of like more from the middle of the head, in between the tips, if that makes sense. Of course, y'all are seeing it, so that makes sense. So yeah, guys, the color is very unique. Like I said, never had a wig this kind of color, and so yeah, I think that's really going to make it more of a popular style. Now, it does come in a lot of different colors. I just chose green because I thought it was the most unique. And yeah, so this unit is fairly new as well, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, let's just get into it. So also customization, what I did, you guys, what I decided to do was go ahead and choose my parting space, which I did. I think I chose the right side. I did pluck that part just a little bit, and I did add some of my foundation. Before I did that, on the frontal area, I did add some of my powder just to make it look and blend a little bit more on my scalp. The hairline wasn't bad, but I didn't want mine to look super wiggy, and I'm not using glue or gel, guys. I meant to tell you that earlier, sorry. But I'm not using glue or gel, so it's important for me to make mine look less wiggy because I'm not like laying this down because I sweat too much for that. It's hot and I'm not doing it. So yeah, these are just the tips and tricks that I had to do, and it helped, and I didn't really need the glue or gel. So onto the parting space, I did pluck just a little bit. You don't have to. I mean, the parting is pretty good because it's a 360. It does come with lace in the back as well, guys. So I guess you could cut that and like slick it up in a ponytail if you like. I don't be doing all that. You already know how I do. It's simple, easy peasy for me. So I'm going to be wearing mine down with the right side part. Now, what I did not do is I didn't pluck the hairline. I don't feel like it really needed to be plugged. It could. Now, let's get into the real tea about how I feel about this unit, because y'all know if it's trash, I don't care what company it's by, I'm going to tell y'all 100%. Because, one, I hate wasting my money. Two, I'm not going to make somebody else waste their money and then be pissed at me. Three, honey, I don't get paid whether you buy it or not. So, guys, let's talk about shedding and tangling. Now, for this unit, I got a little bit of shedding, but nothing major whatsoever. The 360 units seem to be a little bit better quality than, you know, the regular synthetic wigs. So I don't think you're going to have to deal with a lot of shedding. And I don't think that this is going to be one of those synthetic wigs that last for like 24 hours and then you have to throw them in the trash. I do not think that at all. Now, tangling, I may have gotten just a few snags. Honestly, I don't even think I got barely that that, maybe one or two, but I don't think this wig is going to tangle either. I love the texture of this unit. It's a light yaki texture. The density is pretty natural. I am going to turn around the ends so you guys can see. If you see any tracks, make sure you comment below and let me know so you can let other girls know, you know, so because some people just don't like that thing where you can't put all the hair in the front and the tracks are showing, honey. So let us sister know. But the density is a pretty natural density, but I will say the texture, I feel like it's light yaki, and also it's like a little bump in the ends, if you guys can see that. I like that about this unit. Now, it does seem like it's a little bit layered as well in the front because it's not a blunt cut or anything like that. But yeah, guys, this is Jill by ZURY SIS, if I didn't say the name before, honey. But overall, I do like this unit. I think it's cute. Now, I don't know if it comes in neutral colors, like I said, so you might not be able to wear this every day, but if you're trying to stun on somebody this summer, this is your girl. Okay, Jill is your girl. So guys, let me know what you think about Jill, and y'all, I'm pressing to get y'all this review because I have been super busy today. So please share this video with somebody you know and love. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next wig review. And y'all have a happy 4th of July. Yes, turn up. See y'all later. Bye.